Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Shopify store name. First, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify store and go to your admin page. From here, click on Settings. It should be on your bottom left. When you click on that, you'll be routed to this page where you can see all of the information you need for your store. But for now, what we need to be is under Store Details and Profile. From here, you should see the edit button. Go ahead and click on that. And then you can change your name for the store. Let's say I would use Green Corner. When that's good, go ahead and click Save on your top right. Give it a few seconds to load. And when you go ahead and open your Shopify website, your changes have been saved. And that's how easy it is to change your Shopify store name. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.